Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into an inspiring story from the heart of Somalia, where one student's passion for storytelling is making waves in the world of journalism. Meet Musa, a young journalist who, amidst the chaos of conflict, discovered his calling, sharing the untold stories of his community. In a world where voices are often silenced, Musa bravely steps up to amplify the narratives that matter. Join me as we explore his journey, the challenges he faces, and his dreams of becoming a voice for the voiceless. Somalia, a nation rich in culture and history, has experienced decades of turmoil. With civil wars and ongoing conflict, the challenges faced by everyday Somalis often go unreported. The media has the power to shine a light in dark places, but in areas like Somalia, that power can be stifled by danger and censorship. The struggle for a free press is more than just a battle for information. It's a fight for justice, peace, and the fundamental rights of every individual. In this environment, local voices like Musa's are essential. They connect us to the human stories behind the headlines, revealing the resilience and strength of communities trying to rise above adversity. By sharing these stories, Musa hopes not only to inform, but to inspire change and foster understanding among people from all walks of life. From a young age, Musa understood the power of stories. Growing up listening to his grandmother recount tales of bravery and resilience, he realized that every narrative holds a truth waiting to be shared. When conflict touched his family's life, Musa felt a spark ignite within him, a determination to ensure that the stories of his people were not lost to time. He knew that journalism was his path. It was at this crossroads of personal experience and passion that Musa set out on a journey to document the untold stories of his community, defying the odds stacked against him. Musa took a leap of faith by launching his own blog, a digital platform dedicated to reporting local issues that often went unnoticed. It wasn't easy. He faced technical barriers, limited resources, and the constant pressure of ensuring his own safety. Yet he forged ahead, determined to shed light on the untold narratives around him. His first posts focused on everyday struggles, educating readers about local healthcare deficiencies, chronicling the perseverance of school children, and showcasing community resilience. Each story painted a vivid picture of Somalia, reminding his audience that despite the challenges, hope and determination thrive in the most unexpected places. Musa's words resonated deeply, creating a connection among readers that transcended borders. With each blog post, he pushed boundaries, proving that even a single voice can spark awareness and foster change. However, the path of a journalist in conflict zones is fraught with danger. Musa faced threats to his safety, experienced intimidation, and often had to navigate a landscape where truth is not always welcome. He learned quickly how to balance his passion for journalism with the need to protect himself. Even when fear loomed large, his resolve remained unshaken. The truth may be risky, Musa says, but silence is more dangerous. His courage to speak out amid adversity highlights the critical role of journalists in advocating for justice and human rights, making their work not just a job, but a calling. As Musa's blog gained traction, it caught the attention of international media outlets. His unique voice and heartfelt storytelling led to opportunities he had only dreamed of: coverage for larger stories, mentorship from seasoned journalists, and collaborations that further broadened his platform. With each article, he not only represented his community, but also inspired other young journalists in Somalia to share their perspectives boldly. Musa understands that his voice is just one of many in need of amplification. The more stories shared, the stronger the chorus for change grows. Every new experience only fuels his passion further, driving him to reach new heights. Musa dreams of a future where he stands as a renowned journalist, dedicated to empowering the marginalized. He envisions a platform where every story is told, where every voice is heard, and where journalists can operate without fear. Musa firmly believes journalism can ignite social change, and he wants to lead that charge in Somalia. His goal is to build a movement that transcends borders, inviting others to join in the fight for truth and justice. Every story matters, he says, and every voice can spark a revolution. This tenacity drives him to believe that he can indeed make a difference. In closing, Musa's journey embodies the essence of journalism: courage, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of truth. Let's support local journalists like him. Their stories matter. Remember, the power to change the world lies in the stories we tell. Keep the